Actually, as Muslims, we should make the effort to be a better person every day in our life. Before we go to sleep in the night, we make the intention to have a better day tomorrow. A better day in pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tomorrow. We get up in the morning, we should ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the hidayah and the guidance to live a better life as a Muslim today as opposed to yesterday. If we cannot do that every day, at least every week, on this holy and blessed day of Jummah, when the day of Friday comes and we take a shower and we refresh and we dress nice for Jummah Salah, we should ask Allah to guide us so we can change our life today. Live a better life for the next week. Remember the Surah Qaf, chapter 18 of the Quran, the Prophet ﷺ says that when you read Surah Qaf on a Friday, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala establishes a nur and a light for us for the next week until Friday. So every Friday we should be asking Allah to guide us to live a better life for the next week. A life of hidayah. A life of Allah's nur, Allah's light, Allah's guidance, Allah's spiritual guidance every week, every month, every year. Every day we should be reminding ourselves and making that effort.